Hey guys, welcome back. I am so excited because it is Boxycharm Day. We have December's Boxycharm right here, and I love opening these up on camera and showing you guys what I got in my box. So I don't know if some of you guys have already got your box already, because I got mine, it was I think a couple days ago. So I like to try and do these as quick as I can to show you what I got. And if you've not heard of Boxycharm before, which I'm sure majority of you have, it is a monthly subscription box service. So it is $25 a month. I think the price did go up a little bit because apparently they are going to be including like foundation products now. So I'm excited for that. A lot of you guys were telling me in my last video, like, don't throw out the sample, that's for you to choose your foundation color. And I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't even realize. So you guys always provide me with like all the latest information. I am so grateful for you guys. There's also two other kinds of Boxycharms. There's Boxycharm Premium, which is $285 worth for $35 a month, and you get 6 to 7 full-size beauty products. Then there's also Boxycharm Luxe, which I know a lot of people have been getting, and I was so impressed with seeing other people's Boxy Luxe boxes. Like, there were Natasha Denona products in there. And I see on the website here, it says upgrade to Boxy Luxe and receive a free Natasha Denona gift. And it looks like it's actually one of her glow powders. So that's pretty cool. So if you guys were looking to upgrade, that's a pretty decent incentive, and you get lots of great full-size products, like super high-end. So I always leave my Boxycharm link in the box down below, my description box. So if you want to sign up, check out that link, and I appreciate you guys when you sign up using my link. It means so much to me. So I will stop talking and let's get on into the Boxycharm for December. So excited to see what's inside. I have been so impressed with the last month and the month before that. The last month I got the Becca highlighter, and I have been using that a ton. So I love using everything that comes in my boxes. So happy with this subscription box service. So let's get on into it. Decided to be a little bit crazy today and wear fake lashes. This never happens. I've just been wearing my own lashes because I love my own lashes, but I was feeling a little bit more sassy today. I wanted to put on lashes and be a little bit more glam, so kind of into it. So as you guys know, I do not peek in the box. I do not look at spoilers. I don't read the card until the end. So I'm gonna set the card to the side over here, and I just reach my hand into the box and start to pull stuff out, which, why am I finding that so difficult this time? Okay, product number one. This is a favorite brand, Elemis Skincare. I love Elemis products. I use their cleansing balm. This is a full size of the Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Elemis is also a very pricey brand, so a lot of their products are like $50, $60. Also love their cleanser. It comes in a green bottle. I think it's called Food something. I don't know. I'm forgetting the name, but I used it all up and I loved it. I did a campaign with Elemis and Ulta last year. So this is a soothing facial oil for fine lines and wrinkles. It has roaring water kelp, soothes, nourishes, and smooths. I love how anything now I'm like, ooh, for wrinkles. Great. I need that now as I'm 30 years old. So let's open this up and look inside and see what this bad boy looks like. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I bet you this is like an $100 oil when I read the card, because I know how pricey their stuff is. This is such a beautiful bottle. It has like a little ombre tint going on. Really, really excited to use this. I will try this out tonight as my nightly moisturizer. And I have not been disappointed by any of the Elemis products I've tried so far. Have you guys tried any of their products yet? This is actually why Boxy is so great, because you get a chance to try out their products. I think we also had an Elemis face mask, maybe like in July, or it was like, I can't remember. I think it may have been July. Let's go in here again. This is a brand I have not heard of before. This is Seraphine Botanicals Dakin and Dreams Lip Exfoliator with radish. Huh. Okay, let's see. This has radish and chamomile extracts as well as chia seed oil to Keep Lips Smooth, Cleanse and Condition. Has avocado, apricot, jojoba, shea, and cocoa butter. Okay, I am a lip scrub self-proclaimed junkie, so whenever I see a new lip scrub, I'm like, ooh, very excited. And the package is also cute. It has like a little fairy on it, and then there's like someone on a swing. I don't know if my camera will pick it up because the lights are so bright. But there's no mineral oil, which is great. No parabens, no gluten. It's vegan and plant-based. And I hope there's one ingredient that always breaks me out. I think it's beeswax, maybe? Yeah, I don't see any in here, which is good. So I'm very excited to try this. Let's open up the, I actually just got another lip scrub I've been using from Clove & Hollow. They're an organic, like super natural brand. I just wanted to smell it. It smells good. It smells kind of like cherry. I think that's the scent I'm getting. Like a bubblegum cherry. And I do see it has the little exfoliating sugars in here. That is the first ingredient, is sugar. And I think, yeah, this is actually like a little sugar scrub. All right, cool. I am very excited to test out this brand. It says it's London. It's a London-based brand. Okay, let's reach in. What do we have? The Brow Bar by Rima. True Brow Makeover Kit. This is, let's see, style your brows like a pro with the ultimate brow kit. I'm just gonna open it because I need to see what it actually is. Oh, okay. Let's see, Brow Bar. So you get little powders in here. Looks like a wax, and then like a little, it's cute. Honestly, this is dark. This is probably something that I would put in a giveaway. I'm not too interested in this, to be quite honest. I mean, I like brow stuff. I'm very like particular with the brow products I use. So this one doesn't excite me too much. I'm gonna just put this in my giveaway pile. But if you're looking for a brow product, this might be something that you were excited about. Okay, let's see what else. I'm looking for something else. What is this? Yes, I love when we get Ciate products. This is the Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. What color is this? Does it say? In Dusk. Anytime I've gotten a Ciate product in Boxycharm, I have really enjoyed it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love the Ciate packaging because it's like bows and stars, and that's like totally me. Oh, it's so pretty. This is right up my alley. It is a marbled blush, just like the name says. Really adorable, compact. I love this already. Looks like it has a little bit of sheen to it. Not like a lot, just a little bit of glow. That is so pretty. Yes, I don't know if it'll pick up on the swatch. It's just like a really pretty rosy pink. Ever so slight little bit of sheen to it. So far, this is my favorite product. And the outside packaging is so cute too. It has all little marble detail on it. Love this one. Okay, I think we have one more product, which is this. Oh my gosh, what is this? This is so cute. It's a little book. Oh, what is this? It says Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics. Once upon a time, there were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after. I've never seen anything like this before. Oh my gosh, it's a palette. That is so cute. Okay, so it's all based off Little Red Riding Hood. So it says Red, Bad Wolf, Basket, Peril, Journey, and a Woods. And they're really pretty shades that I would wear, like warm colors. And on the side it says, someday you will be old enough to start reading fairy tales again, C.S. Lewis. C.S. Lewis is actually a Christian author. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's actually a little book. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited to use this brand. I know they are very popular for the brushes that they make, but I don't think I knew they had palettes. And on the front there's a wolf and Little Red Riding Hood, so obviously it's like fairy tale based. Adorable. Let's see what the theme is and the prices and all that. So it says Boxycharm Whimsy is the theme. Cute. The mini palette was created just for Boxycharm and it is $35. It's the Little Red Riding Hood palette. Then I was pretty close on the Elemis facial oil. This is $79. It says it has a trio of rose extracts to give the skin a luminous glow. Ciate Marble Light Illuminating Blush that I was really excited about. This is $26. The lip exfoliator is $24. And the Brow Bar Makeover Kit is $30. So let's do a little roundup and see what the value is. Retail value on this whole box is $172, which is awesome if you're paying $25 a month. Most things I was excited about is the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics palette and the Ciate Marble Light Illuminating Blush. These were my two favorite. So I always like to tell you guys what box number I got. I got box number 8, and I don't know the weight of the box because mine doesn't have an invoice. Mine comes directly from, I guess, a Boxy PR. Thank you so much to Boxycharm for letting me try out this box every month. It really means a lot to me, and I've enjoyed all the products that I get for the most part. For the most part, I've enjoyed them. So let me know what box you guys got in the comments down below. Let me know if you got the same box as me and what product you were most excited about. I know you guys really enjoy these videos, and it's always super fun to see what we got in each other's boxes. So that is it. This video is always pretty sweet and quick. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.